Traders, I'm happy to announce we officially broken out of December's range with its low at 5,794. If you didn't notice, I would urge you to follow my updates a little more. And now for the big question, does ES hold and build value here, or do sellers continue their dominance? Yesterday we seen an inside day trapping price between key levels, but with jobless claims and US trade balance data dropping before the open, we could see a breakout coming. And because we broke the lows, we are extremely cautious on longs today. Manage your risk accordingly, guys. Let's break it all down. So guys, on the 10-day volume profile, we're seeing continued volume building beneath the value area, now sitting 40 points lower than Tuesday. The POC and the value area high remain unchanged, so there is less long-term interest in these lower prices. As you can see, we touched this 5,760 level, but watch here, because these clusters of value area highs and value area lows at 5,730 could be a key area for sellers to mitigate. This week's price action is shifting value significantly lower, with the POC now sitting at 5,791, well below last week's value area. On the weekly, we are still one time framing down with the high at 6,067.50, and our daily one time framing down stays intact with the high at 5,869.50. Buyers really need to reclaim these highs to change the momentum. Until then, the sellers just have the edge. So on the 2-hour delta chart, we see no significant change. ES is currently ranging between this 5,870 and this 5,760, which is still a massive 100-point daily range. So keep an eye on these extremes. Whoever breaks this could win today. So looking at the TPO chart, we see that after Monday's triple distribution, yesterday we formed an inside New York session with a consecutive value area, but a slightly higher market point of control. Opening inside yesterday's opening range right here between 5,816 and 5,770 could mean more balance. A break above or below these levels is your breakout opportunity. And lastly, on the 1-hour chart, we see a range forming with breakout structures leading into lower highs and lower lows. The strike price today is tightening up really hard with a high at 5,850 and a low at 5,800. This signals uncertainty, so avoid trading right here in this zone. A breakout from this range will bring momentum. So as for our normal game plan, my line in the sand today will be 5,842, which is the weekly VWAP. Above 5,842, I'll consider longs, but with extreme caution. So I will open longs right here at 5,850, targeting this 5,875, which is the bottom of the single print area. If this holds, we can start targeting 5,898 and 5,910. For a bearish plan, if we stay below 5,840, we can start thinking about shorts around 5,800. We will target the lows at 5,744, the value area cluster I just told you about at 5,730, and if we reclaim that, we can go so low as 5,674. So the news before the open can shake things up. We will expect some volatility coming in. We have officially left December's range at 5,794. Remember that level. And the downtrend remains dominant right now. Be extremely careful with longs. Sellers are controlling this market. Stay patient. Follow your plan and let price action guide your trades. Hit that notification bell and follow for daily and weekly updates. You don't want to miss what happens next.